Good morning, traders. Welcome to the weekly Elliott Wave Street update. I'm Juan Maldonado from the Elliott Wave Street, and as always, it's a pleasure to share with you some of our trading plans. Don't forget that you can sign up for the membership and receive daily analysis on all the majors, on Forex, futures, and stocks, depending on your trading preference. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's right here on the right corner down on your screen. You can just click there to sign up and subscribe to receive on YouTube all the updates. Today we're going to start with the euro that has been going higher. However, I believe we have to go down on the higher time frame, the 4-hour chart, before going up. So mainly the plan, the Elliott wave plan, is pretty simple. I'm looking for a leg down back to the 119.50 before going up to the 124 area. Actually, a more precise target to the previous high, 123.50. So while the big trade happens, we can plan a short trade, a sell trade. On the hourly chart, after the price did a 3-wave sequence, we are going to start finding the reversal. Last night I sent to my clients, I shared with my clients, let me show you this picture. Okay, here we are. Look, this one here. So on the membership, I have a Telegram channel that you will join, of course, and I share my plans. So look, this was the plan yesterday, to have a hard high, a reversal, and here was the first selling point on the euro. And let's see the actual right here. The price moves higher, fails. That's important because here it could continue higher. But the failure is really important. You see the price goes outside and then returns. So that's the first signal, the aggressive entry. And if the price, because the price fails to continue higher and moves down, here I'm looking for the test, the institutional test. It will be great if we can go here to the previous wave 3. That will be the 121.70 area. That's the level I want to sell. Is like the second entry, second chance to trigger. So let's say we go here, it fails and reverse. That will be the sell trade. And the first target is here, 120.20. The second target is going to be lower, is the 119.49. I have big news because I'm going to do a webinar around in 1 month of volume profile and Elliott wave completely free. You are going to find the sign up link for this fantastic webinar. Let me find it. Okay, here it is. I'm going to explain how to use volume profile from scratch, and also to mix it up with Elliott wave. So here you will find the link here below the video to sign up with all the details about this fantastic event. So you can read everything here. You just need to sign up and that's it. All right, so going back to the volume profile, look, we have the price testing an old point of control area here and also here. And if we look more to the left, here we have another area, here we have another one, here we have another one. So clearly this is a strong area, a strong resistance area from the institutional traders. That is why the market rejects this area, because in case that they were ready to push the price higher, they will do it immediately there, but they didn't do it. So this is another hint that the market is having trouble to continue higher, and that this is likely to be a failure. The target is here. Of course, we can use all the POCs during the road down. If you want to learn this strategy, this technique, you should sign up for the free class. All right, and once we have the completion of the corrective wave 2, we're going to short, but there is more. Let's go to a lower time frame. Let's go to the 5-minute chart, because I want to show you something really interesting here. And is that right now we have all the volume accumulation here at the lower side of the profile. So if we have the wave 2 going outside the profile right here, that's where I want to sell. I want to sell when the price goes outside value. Outside value means cheap prices. That's my area, around the 70s. If it moves a little bit higher than the 70, fantastic. If not, if the price just comes upside here and reverse and re-enters the profile, I will sell it from there. All right, that's the plan on the euro. Let's have a look at the S&P, and then we check the US dollar. The S&P is going down. I have some news on the weekly chart. This might be the first stone, the first building block of a major corrective wave on the S&P. I'm looking for some validation. I will tell you in a second what I'm looking for. But on the weekly chart, it seems that we are starting the leg down. So the plan on the S&P is to find the 5-wave sequence on the lower time frames. When you are looking for the end of the trend, let's say you have a strong move up, then you're looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence, and then you look for the 3 up. That's a high probability setup. So far we don't have that yet on the S&P, but I have the wave count completed, and we have a lot of choppiness here. Well, if this is the top, my target is going to be the previous wave 4, is around the 3,200 area. That will be great to add to the long-term portfolio, and maybe to start new trades at those levels, swing or day trades. But for the long term, I like to buy or to add to my portfolio at cheaper levels. Not that expensive, of course. All right, so going back to the lower time frame, so let's go to the 4-hour chart first. Look, we have a 5-wave sequence down. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and this is the wave 5. 5 waves down. This is the 5-wave sequence expected. So far, we have only the 3-wave sequence, and the slope is good. So 4, 5, that will be it. Then the test, where the institutional guys make their test to find out if they are going to find more buyers or if that's it, and the drop after that. So let's see, but seems to be really, really good, this setup. And finally, let's have a look at the dollar. The dollar is in expanded mode. Is doing an expanded formation where it's extremely weird, this formation. I think that this formation can only happen when you have a pandemic plus stimulus plus the south of the US freezing out and having power issues. Like that kind of a scenario is that the one that can create this expanded thing. However, from the Elliott wave point of view, I think we have pending one more to the upside. Not necessarily to this high, but it could go higher, of course, before dropping. And that's why, that's another reason I'm thinking the euro, it is likely to go lower. But the same as the euro, we need to have a corrective to have a test to see if the sellers are done and if their buyers are in control. It's extremely important. And let's have a look at gold, because last week I was explaining on the previous video this move down. My target was here, first target, an ideal target right here. Zoom out a little bit more. Right here, look precisely, comes here, reverse, and now we're in the buy trade. First target, second target 1960. There we go. I believe this is the bottom on gold, and we are in the wave 1. Then we will have a wave 2, the test, and after that the most powerful wave, wave 3. So this is just a recap and a summary of what we were doing last week. Fantastic traders. Now, if you want to receive my Elliott wave analysis, live market analysis with tips, with comments, with ways to use the charts and the waves, visit ElliottWaveStreet.com. Visit then the membership. Under the membership, you can pick your plan. We have the Forex, we have the stocks or the full access. Pick your favorite and start receiving immediately all the power of the waves. Please have a fantastic trading week. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to sign up for the free volume profile course, link below the video. Take care. Bye-bye.